Do you want to take care of your bike more seriously but without the added hassle? Do you want to make things more convenient by freeing up both hands to work on your precious bicycle? A bike repair stand is the answer to your problems. Bike repair stands in its simplest form and is a clamping mechanism. This will support your bike off the floor as you work on it. This creates it far easier to carry out maintenance or repairs. If you are going to be repairing your own bike, then you will need a bike work stand to help. You will find there is no more bending or having bits of your bike laying on the floor. Bike stands are like another pair of hands to keep your bike locked in one position. After all, a bicycle maintenance stand is the center of every home or garage workshop since it is extremely useful and functional while it enters to perform just about any bike-related task. These reviews take the top 5 bike repair stands to see which delivers the best value for money.
Here Top Up Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
The Fitback Sports Bike Repair Stand is a top bike repair stand for a variety of reasons. The first thing you will notice about it is how stable it is. You are not going to have to worry about it tipping over while you are wrenching on a rusted bolt. You will be able to do any repair on your bike you need to. It is easy to fold up and store away. If you will be taking it on the road, you will really appreciate how easy it is to set up and put it in the back of your SUV or trunk of your car. Its wide base means you can use it almost anywhere. Whether it's a grass field, dirt track or your basement, it is a super stable design. The solid aluminum tubes are heavy duty and solid. The clamp holds your bike securely with its vice grip and opens and closes fast and easy. The clamping knob has a clutch mechanism that grants the bike to rotate around without readjustment and can hold the bike by the top tube or the seat post, providing you flexibility. It can accommodate bikes weighing up to 65 pounds and works with any type of bike. The stand weighs only 12.6 pounds, so if you need the best bike work stand for DIY that is portable, easy to set up, then the Fitback Sports Rack is your best bet. If you are looking for a sturdy bike repair stand that is built like a tank, then the Perk Tool PCS 10.2 needs to be in your work area. And it is still only 16 pounds. Rated to hold 80 pounds, almost twice as much as any other bike stand on the market, this is also suitable for an electric bike as well. The stand has 2 legs in a 3-point configuration, and being heavier, this stand has incredible stability. Being heavier and sturdier, you can rotate your bike 360 degrees with a composite tube top smoothly and easily. Also, this is nice because some repairs are much easier while the bike is upside down. The clamp is all metal with a padding so it doesn't damage your bike. Overall, the Perk PCS 10.2 is designed to be the last bike repair stand you will ever need. If you are looking for a stand that can be a fixture of your workshop for years to come, then the Perk PCS 10.2 is the best for you. The Fitback Sports Sprint Bike Repair Stand is made to fold up into a small, compact and portable package. It is ideal for taking on the road and for someone who has little storage space. The Sprint Repair Stand rotates around 360 degrees for easy access to the bike and adjusts in height from 30 to 48 inches. It is ideal for carbon fiber bikes because there is no chance of damage since there are no clamps on the crossbars of the bike. The 3 standard sizes of 130mm, 135mm and 140mm for disc brake equipped bikes are accepted. Its base is stable even on uneven surfaces like dirt and gravel, making it ideal for travel, especially while mountain biking. The construction and stability of this stand are confidence-inspiring, so for the right consumer, this Sprint is a good investment. Overall, high-level or competitive road and mountain bike racers alike will enjoy this stand as it eliminates damage potential to expensive or oddly shaped frames or fragile tubing. The best value in a bike repair stand goes to the CXWXC bike repair stand. This is one of the lowest priced bike repair stands available on the market that can often cause concern over the construction quality and durability of a product, but this repair stand is very well constructed and comes very highly rated. It is made of tough but lightweight aluminum alloy that can support up to 60 pounds and is corrosion and scratch resistant. The repair stand comes equipped with adjustable body height and a 360-degree rotating clamp that holds the bike securely in place while being fixed. Included with the repair stand is a separate rod that can be affixed to the front wheel to eliminate swivel or wheel movement when working. The stand also enters with a convenient and customized magnetic tool tray to hold tools and accessories while working. So if you are looking for the best budget bike repair stand, then your search ends here. This CXWX bike repair stand is constructed from durable and lightweight aluminum alloy which is portable and easy to carry around. The Perk Tool PRS25 will impress owners of larger bicycles. With a weight capacity of 100 pounds, you can secure even the heaviest mountain bike on this sturdy bicycle repair stand. The 125D micro-adjust clamp is versatile, rotating 360 degrees and compatible with tubes from 7 by 8 inches to 3 inches. The clamp is also designed to facilitate quick clamping and removal. It is compatible with an enormous range of tube sizes from 23 to 76 mm in diameter. Its design ensures it is rugged and durable and yet easily folded for transportation or storage. The Perk Tool PRS25 is a good long-term investment for a serious cyclist who wants a professional bicycle repair stand and expects to use it frequently. If you need a professional bicycle repair stand that will last for years, that you can use on a daily basis, and that can hold the heaviest bikes, this stand is the best choice for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.